Ever had an amazing ChatGPT conversation and want to save it for later, but there is no direct download option? Don't worry, in 2 minutes, I will show you how to use ChatGPT chats as a PDF on Android without any extra app. First of all, open your browser, Chrome, Edge or Firefox. Go to chatgptopenai.com and log in. Scroll through your chat to make sure everything is visible. Now tap the three dot menu in your browser top right corner. Select share or print, depend on your browser. In the print menu, tap select printer and choose save as PDF instead of a physical printer. You can preview the page to make sure everything look good. Finally, tap save, pick a folder on your phone and hit done. Your ChatGPT conversation is now as a PDF that you can read anytime. And that's it. In under 2 minutes, you have saved your ChatGPT chats as a PDF. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.